the territorial police, we do our part. When a case is registered as police, we investigate thoroughly. We make sure that we do all that it takes to build a file, to get the evidence that is needed, to make sure that we build up a case and we take the file to state attorney, who advises whether there is a case or not. And when he sanctions the file,
Bindeeba omusango waweeyawo mbalize police bond niyo mbalizewo.
Following your directive, whoever is involved in theft of, as far as PDM program is concerned, we don't give bond. We investigate and we make sure that these people appear in court, sir.
Hata umusigazi umusango tari roko stati